What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another EC Eats. Today I got some barbecue because I've been craving it lately, man. I've been watching a lot of Mikey Chen. He recently moved to Dallas. Mikey Chen, aka Streaky Dumpling, and he was trying a lot of the barbecues. So I'm really happy about this. I got it from a spot called Big Bone BBQ. It's a local spot here in Markham. I got what they call the Monday Speical, so you can only get it on Monday, obviously. It's like $30. You get like a pound of wings, and then you get a rack of ribs, and then you get either fries or onion rings. I think it's a little bit extra for onion rings, but I always go for the onion rings because I prefer it over the fries. Usually pretty good. You really taste the onion, like it's real onion. It's not like fake shit. That's really good. So let's start with one of the pork ribs. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get up close. Got the nice barbecue sauce on it, the smoke on it. It's not the most tender piece of ribs that I've ever had, but you have like the nice tanginess of the barbecue, nice sweetness to it. But it's overall not bad. I do wish though that this would be more tender, like more fall off the bone. But flavor-wise, it's nice. When eating barbecue, you definitely will get messy. No way can you eat barbecue with your like a fork and knife. And now I got some of their chicken wings. You get a pound of wings. I got what they call the golden tie. See right here, the nice sauced up wing right here. Oh, that's good. Yeah. So this is for good chicken wing. Not the juiciest meat, but still very good. You get the nice sweetness of the Thai sauce, and then they do state on their website and their menu that this is pretty spicy, but it's not spicy at all. Yeah, the overall value of this is really good. $30 is like 2 meals. You definitely can feed 2 people with this, more than just one. But I'm just showing you what you can get with the Monday Speical. This big old rib right here. Ooh. This one's a little bit more tender, a little more juicy. Like, it's a straight nice char on it. A nice little smoke ring. Fairly certain that most people know about Big Bone BBQ if you're in Markham. Me and my friends just always go get their Monday Speical. I'm really interested to see what their other meats are like the brisket. I've never tried their brisket at a Big Bone BBQ. Maybe next time. Get that cartilage. That crunch. Ooh. Nah, always go onion rings. Forget the fries, man. It's just regular fries. Onion rings is always the way to go. Delicious. And the wings are pretty substantial size too. Look at this big one. Big old drumstick. You already know me. I'm a drumstick type of guy. Yeah, I was watching Mikey Chen eat all these barbecue in Dallas and it looks amazing. Like, I was watching like 2 a.m. in the morning and you just see the meat just fall off the beef ribs and it's, oh my God. But yeah, this food is definitely, look at that big old beef rib. I actually don't know if it's beef or pork rib. No, it's pork rib. It definitely has to be pork. The texture of the meat, definitely pork. One of these days, I really hope to try out authentic Texas barbecue. Whenever we travel again, that is, right? Like, who knows when that's gonna be, man. Man, the good food's waiting for me. Yeah, just solid barbecue. I really only know Big Bone for it in Markham. If there's any other places in Markham that serve this type of like southern type of barbecue, let me know, because I really want to try them. I will say though, you might want to get this. We definitely want to get this like right when it comes out, because I did have to go pick this up at their restaurant and bring it here, and it doesn't deliver that well. Like, it's okay, it's still good, but definitely the meat has toughened up in between then. So like, maybe it was a lot juicier when it first came out of the smoker or whatever when they cooked it, but right now it's just okay. I still like the flavor. It's still very nice smoky flavor, nice sweetness of the barbecue sauce, but like, I want it to be a little bit more tender, you know what I mean? Because I remember when we used to eat it there, it was a lot better. Most of the time when you transfer it over, it doesn't work as well. So if you're gonna get barbecue, get it there. My face is probably a mess right now. Overall, value for this, 30 bucks for this, probably a meal for two. I'll give it a good 8 out of 10 value. Taste, probably if we got it fresh, I'll give it maybe like 8 out of 10. We get it fresh, but right now, eating it as is, didn't travel as well, maybe like a 7 out of 10. And appearance, look delicious, 9 out of 10 in appearance. So overall, good. Really enjoyed it. If you're ever in the area, go get it. Big Bone BBQ. All right, that's it for me. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below if there's any other barbecues in Markham or anywhere. To be honest, I want to try them all, what I should eat. And yeah, that's it. I'm out of here. Peace out.